50 engine, or a 5.7 liter engine, I think they called it then.
Mm-hmm.
And they
mouse.
There's a mouse. There's one.
Uh-oh.
Better not come over here and see me.
What's up, guys? It's your boy D Brooks coming with another video. Today, I plan on sharing with you guys my experience on going to pick up my very first barn find. It's a 1983 Buick Estate wagon LeSabre. I figured I'd share with you guys. I had never done one of these barn finds, and I figured you guys might want to watch it. So, y'all let me know what you guys think. Thanks for tuning in. All right, guys, we are here. So, this is the estate wagon. It's been in here for how long?
Well, probably about 15 to 20 years, I guess.
15 to 20 years it's been in here. So, it's got the dust on it for sure. I wonder if there's anything living in it.
I couldn't tell you that, but I don't think so. Well, the interior is messed up.
Let's see.
There's some stuff still in there, so that would be best, because like I say, it's only moved a foot and a half, 2 feet since it's been out here. It used to be up here, and we hadn't room to cook it. But most of it is still.
Those filler panels always tend to break like that.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to them, but that's the only thing I know of. You wanna, let's see if we can put that engine on.
It's gonna be tight to get over there.
Yeah.
But hey, you know, it is what it is.
We ain't even sure where it's at.
I'm always, you know, when I capture something like this, I gotta get it in the most organic way. You know, showing how it was, where it was when I got it.
Yucky, huh?
I like it.
Brown.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a brown, but the car itself is a blue.
It's typical wood grain on the sides.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't even know where that.
It's gonna be kind of tough to get to, I imagine.
I don't know if you got
Let me see if I can get around here.
with your light, you might be able to see where it's at. I don't have.
Oh yeah. We're gonna pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
Yeah, I gotta grab the hood latch in there.
Maybe find a light.
It comes out. Get me. Okay. Well, the shocks are a little weak now.
Shocks are. Oh, you got to.
I'm holding it. Yeah.
Dual batteries,
Oh, for the diesel. Yeah.
and it's got block warmer.
Yeah. Wow. We'll see what we can do. Someone told me that this engine that they have in here is basically an Oldsmobile block with diesel heads. Is that right?
Well, I was told that it's a basic 350 engine, or a 5.7 liter engine, I think they called it then.
Mm-hmm.
And
Oh, mouse.
There's a mouse. There's one.
That little
Uh-oh.
better not come over here and see me.
Oh boy. I know what we're gonna have to deal with. Probably some wiring.
We might.
Yeah. You know, if they're there, they're there. Oh well.
I don't know where'd he come from.
Yeah,
Oh, there's another one.
Oh, they're in the hood.
Yeah, they're up in that hood.
Oh boy.
Yeah, they've been eating it.
Yep.
Eating the hood. So.
They probably got up there.
Yep, there he goes.
Wow.
Well, I think that was what I thought.
Little mice in there, huh? That's what happens when you get into these old cars that's been sitting.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Are you intending to rebuild it or
I'm thinking about replacing the engine.
replacing the engine?
Yeah, with a newer style engine, like out of a newer truck engine.
Yeah.
I'm probably not gonna deal with the diesel, just because it's so hard to keep them running. They're really hard to keep running with the heads.
If you wanted to keep the diesel, I got a couple of fuel filters up there that I'll let you have them for putting it in there if you want to. But now it's got old fuel in it, so
Yeah, I'm not
I
gonna.
have no idea what the fuel condition is, but it's probably.
Well,
You got it?
Yeah, I'm gonna let her down. Let the mice have their home back.
All right.
See if any more come out. Any more come out? So you guys have just been living in there, huh?
Yeah, looks like it.
Huh.
Kind of nice warm paper.
Wow. Well, we will see.
It's a little dusty, but
All right, so I guess I better get down to the paperwork.
That's your arm off. That's your arm off. The other arm. You got.
oh yeah, you got
You're leaning on the car. Or
on the
something.
back of your arm. Too.
Oh, back.
Yeah.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Don't get
Oh,
on the
okay.
car.
Oh, okay. That's cool. Well, man, this will be my first time. My mom had one like this when I was a kid.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. It was, I don't know if it was a Buick or a Chevy, but it was, you know, had the wood on it.
Yeah.
It was my grandfather's, and, you know, he
So
let
you
her.
like to do that kind of work?
Yeah, I do. Yep. This is long. Is this longer than a Suburban?
It's pretty long. I'm not sure what it is, but I'd say yeah, it's probably longer than a Suburban.
Jeez.
It had a couple trips to Canada fishing.
Yeah,
Really?
Yeah.
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 Hopefully they can pull it onto the truck fairly easy.
Well, I think that, as far as I know, we took a trip to Canada and or it was dragging too bad. We had a camper. That camper over there was hooked on behind it, and
Oh, okay.
we just had to stop up in was it Saginaw? Her brother's camper caught on fire. We had to spend the night. Went down to Sears the next day and had them put on a set of air shocks to bridge that back into.
Wow. And they did that all in one day.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Wow. Maybe I'll mess around with the diesel for a little bit, see if I can get it going. You said it blew a head gasket, so it probably won't start up when you get
No,
gas.
I doubt that it's going to start.
Okay. It's got the rack. It's nice. A lot of them didn't have the racks.
Now, this was actually, it started out as a company executive car.
Oh, okay.
The Hamilton Fisher Body Plant. And this was it was a executive car there at the plant. And he took it to Florida with his kids. And he said it rode great with his kids in the back end. And he just put them back there, hold the seat down. They had a playroom back there in the back, so.
Hope. Yeah, I remember how big those backs were. Hopefully the mice didn't get to it too bad.
I don't think they did. That surprised me that they even had them.
All right, guys. So obviously I wasn't able to take the wagon home that same evening. I drove down right after work, went to the bank, went to the ATM, got the cash, and basically I just wanted to secure the purchase. I knew it was kind of a rare find to find it for the price that I got it at. It did have, you know, an older smell inside the car, like it was closed up for a while. There was a couple mice nests underneath the hood, so I will have to address those issues later, but I'm very excited. If you guys want to see part 2, where we actually tow the vehicle home, make sure you hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and smash the bell, and you'll get the notification. Peace.